Yes, my wonderful people. Welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. What do you think about Freedom Street? The highly anticipated Vybz Kartel concert. Did Freedom Street live up to the hype? Freedom Street workout? The magical, historical show with Vybz Kartel I talk about for all these months since its release. Did it live up to the hype? People, you know what took it from me? This.
Drunken seller! He was brought to drunken seller! My butler! Listen to me! The boy Serpy! You talk too much! You.
Vybz Kartel stage entrance was something different that we have seen in Jamaica. It not overdo it. It not too extra, but the elegance of it and the impact. It just come like a superstar. It just come like a superstar, my people. For me, J Progress, Freedom Street live up to the hype. Freedom Street was the magical event that we were all looking for. Vybz Kartel plan and deliver. Probably Vybz Kartel vice wasn't 100% because we not take nothing from the table. Vybz Kartel vice never did dip on top form, but nevertheless we had an incredible show. Well organized, well put together. No incident no really go on. There was a little shuffle there, but no incident no really go on. No mash-up show no go on. You understand me? I say, me people. So me see the show. That show you can't keep one time. It have to be year to year. And it bring me back and say, Len, there is no way on earth Sting could have gone nowhere near that show here. Just from the production to the whole organization to how everything set out, the amount of artists them we pass through, trust me, it never did normal, my people. Freedom Street did it. Vybz Kartel deliver. The empire, the old empire, the Gaza reunion, they delivered. Everybody did them best. Me nah go say every artist performance was top tier, but at the same time, it overall, Freedom Street was a success and it was historical for Jamaica. Vybz Kartel speak highly about Freedom Street and the magical performance, and a lot of people doubt him that he wouldn't be able to be on stage for that long. But he did it. You see a man no far off I'm 50, battling grave disease, the illness, and still manage to stay up on top. Still manage to stay up on top. We have to take with hats off to Vybz Kartel. Without even a shadow of a doubt, Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall. What Vybz Kartel do in a dancehall, no other entertainer no do it all now. We can dispute that all we like. But Vybz Kartel set a bar right now where me no know which entertainer are able to beat this. Me know you have Soundfest, you have Rebel Salute, and you have a lot more events in a Jamaica. But the production of Freedom Street was out of this world. Them is something you see in some foreign country. Some big show, Wireless Fest and all of them big show there. Everything was so organized and well put together. The only little thing where many people never did happy about is popcorn of a sense category up on their mother. Chronic Law have this Joe Bogdanovich as well. Because Popcorn and Chronic Law stuck outside based on Popcorn saying for almost 3 hours. How could you have these mega stars like Popcorn and Chronic Law who you know book for the show and have them stuck outside for so long? Personally, that is a disrespect to Vybz Kartel, and that is a disrespect to the show, a disrespect to Popcorn, and a disrespect to Chronic Law. Almost like you belittle them and you don't acknowledge them greatness in the dancehall. So Scatter, Popcorn saying your way up on your mother is a big disrespect, but you deserve it. You deserve it, Scatter Borrell. Joe Bogdanovich, you get disrespect big time too, and you deserve it. There should have been better arrangement for the artist. And the only artist them me hear complain. So therefore, I don't know if there's a little thing we don't know. I don't know if there was something from before we don't know. I don't know. But at the end of the day, we should have work on that. We have to remember Vybz Kartel name did a right on this. When you see Vybz Kartel have to take your mic and I beg them for selling Popcorn and them thing there, you know say it's serious. But nevertheless, my people, Freedom Street, the highly anticipated one night show, did it. The stadium, ram, pack, full. People are sing along to Vybz Kartel, sang them like a choir. Vybz Kartel, he have so much song, Vybz Kartel, even say no remember somebody sang them. When if you perform, he sang them, he literally don't remember them. But nevertheless, for a man who's been battling with the grave disease, Vybz Kartel stood up well. He performed well. He gave an entertaining performance. He basically MC one show. Nothing was just did as a backup. Vybz Kartel basically MC one show and keep it vibesy. Him not make the thing dead dumb, nothing. Him do a great performance. And him interact with all of the artists then. Not because him a the big man for the show. Vybz Kartel never did just say, alright, perform and come off. Him did it with all of the artists then. Big up Vybz Kartel for boss of the young youth, Shalom. Because enough people that have been mad and everything from a long time. And we see Vybz Kartel bring out Shalom and make him touch the stage. I saw you go with Vybz Kartel known for that. You see me? Vybz Kartel to you, them go on good. Them go on good. I think everybody go up on them A game because they know what was riding on this concert. And everybody wanted to be a part of history. And without a shadow of a doubt, Freedom Street was nothing short of a historical moment in Jamaica. Freedom Street was nothing short of the greatest show for 2024 in Jamaica. Freedom Street is a show where I think people are going to want to see on a year-to-year basis. If anything like what we got last night on Freedom Street, this is the kind of bar we would like to see entertainment in a Jamaica on a year-to-year basis. People need to have a show like this to look forward to. Vybz Kartel, ADDI Palmer, the world boss, you do it. You deliver. You never did just a talk like how enough people talk. You deliver, and you deliver in a style. And Freedom Street was a historical moment for Jamaica. Remember when me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment with people. Remember good no man. You not have to ask nobody nothing. And nobody not have to tell you nothing. And just 1J Progress Entertainment. Happy New Year to each and every one. And all the best for the new year 2025. Big up.